धूर गाने के लिए आई होप अभी अभिषेक का डाउट थोड़ा सॉल्व हो गया होगा। अब हम नेक्स्ट क्विज की ओर जाते हैं। वो रहेगा गेस द फैमिली बाय इमोजी। आपको इमोजी से गेस करना है वो कौन सा परिवार है, ठीक है? स्लाइड प्लीज। सो फर्स्ट ये रहा आपके स्क्रीन के ऊपर, ये रहा। यस संजू भैया आपको प्राइज मिलता है। वेट वेट प्लीज जल्दी किटकैट पहुंचा दो। चलो नेक्स्ट। कौन बोला? नहीं, शशि आंटी बोली, शशि आंटी बोली, छोटा जेपी। हाँ समझ आया आपको, राजकोट का पेड़ा। ठीक है, अब थर्ड स्लाइड। हमारे चर्च के बहुत प्रेयरफुल पर्सन है, पावरफुल प्रेयरफुल पर्सन है। मेरे को तुमको हिंट्स देना ही नहीं था। ओके, किसने बोला? हाँ, मोली आंटी को किटकैट दे दो। ओके नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। वाह वाह, दाल। हाँ बेंजामिन भैया, क्या बात है, क्या बात है। जोरदार तालियां अपने आप के लिए, आपने सारे आंसर्स बहुत अच्छे से दिए। गुड गुड, वेरी प्राउड ऑफ यू। चलो, ये मेरा पार्टनर कहाँ खो जाता है यार? अभिषेक कहाँ है बे तू? कहाँ है तू?
अरे आया 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 आया।
कहाँ रास्ता भटक जाता है बार बार?
अरे वो कॉफी पीते पीते बाहर चला गया मैं।
वो रास्ता वहाँ गया तेरा?
अरे वो ध्यान नहीं था, कॉफी इतना अच्छा बनाया तो चला गया बाहर में।
चलो कोई बात नहीं, तू भटक गया, लेकिन अभी जो स्किट आने वाला है वो तुमको सही मार्ग में दिखाने वाला है।
ओह,
ऐसा हमारे बच्चे इतने मस्त स्किट दिखाएंगे हमारे ऑडियंस को, देखो तो सही मार्ग दिखा जाएगा।
तो हम बुलाना चाहेंगे हमारे जूनियर्स को
फॉर द स्किट।
तालियों से प्लीज स्वागत करिए उनको जी।
Hey Edward, what's up? You look amazing. But why are you getting ready so much?
Wait. Stay there, yaar. Don't come closer. What do you think you're doing? Don't touch me.
What happened? You're my best friend, right? Why can't I come closer to you?
Don't call yourself my best friend until you go home, take a bath, groom yourself, look pretty and then come here.
Why? Is there any special occasion? Like wedding or anniversary something?
No. There's no special occasion. You see, I'm planning to go to heaven to see Jesus. I'm finding ways to visit heaven. And my neighbor told me that this is the only way to visit heaven, by getting ready. So, I got up early this morning, took a bath and got ready. Now I'm clean and I think I'm ready to visit heaven.
That's great. You got ready, you got clean. So tell me, how are you going to visit heaven?
वो मुझे नहीं पता. Besides, she didn't tell me that.
Look, Edward, I think your neighbor is a big fool. I'm your wise best friend. I know you better than anybody. So just listen to me carefully. Come closer. Let me tell you a secret. But I don't want you to tell this to anybody because they might copy this way.
Okay, just tell me.
Let me tell you the best way to get to heaven. It's by aeroplane.
By aeroplane?
Shh. Now I've told you the best way, but it's up to you now. I'm getting late for tuition, so let me hurry now. See you later. Bye.
Now I'm so happy to know that there's another way to visit heaven. Hereafter, I should only listen to my best friend. Like she said, heaven is very far away from earth. I can't travel with my small bicycle. I can only go by aeroplane because aeroplanes fly up very high and they might be able to reach heaven. But I need money for that. What will I do? I'll have to plan to arrange flight tickets, and for that I'll have to get money. Man, I'm so stressed. It is better I watch TV for some time so that I can become stress free.
Breaking news. Way to heaven. Free coupons. Are you looking to go to heaven? Are you confused? Are you stressed? Look no further. We have a right opportunity here. We have a special promotional course just for you to visit heaven. It is a 6-month online course with a one-time payment, and our first 10 customers can get it for the special price of 99 lakhs only. You can pay it once or you can pay it in 3 installments. Hurry up to get this admission with free gift coupons. Don't lose this great opportunity. Admission open till tomorrow. Terms and condition apply.
Even I think that it's a good opportunity. But how will I arrange 1 crore in one day? Okay. Let me ask my sister for some money. She's working in a big multinational corporation, and she's a person whom I can cheat very easily. Didi, मेरी प्यारी दीदी, I'm so happy to help you. Can I polish your shoes? Should I make your bed? Do you want me to pack your lunch?
दाल में कुछ तो काला है. What are you up to? You sound very strange. Edward, now tell me, what do you want from me?
Actually, I'm planning to join an online course to surprise our parents by getting more marks in my board exams. And I need a favor from you. Will you please lend me some money? I promise that I'll return it to you in a short period.
Edward, remember the last time when you wanted to surprise our parents and you borrowed some money which you haven't returned to me yet? So how can I lend you more money?
No. Please don't say no. This time I will make sure to pay you back with all the money together. I promise.
Okay. I'll give you the money. Only on one condition. You have to tell me the real reason. Why do you need the money? Because I know you very well.
Okay, fine. I'll tell you. But please, don't tell anyone. Especially Mama and Papa.
हाँ ठीक है. I promise.
You know, Didi, while watching TV, I saw an ad for a way to heaven. It is an online course. But the only problem is we have to pay 99 lakhs in advance. You already know that I don't have that much money.
What? Going to heaven? Paying 99 lakh? No way. Why didn't you ask me about this earlier? Okay, I know another way to visit heaven. One of my friends bought a lottery ticket from UK. If you win this lottery, you'll get a chance to visit the heaven for free. That too in the rocket. You'll be landing straight in the heaven. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. You'll get free food and accommodation also. So you can buy 2 tickets. One for me and one for you.
Wow, that's great news. I'll go right now and buy the tickets. We'll surely win the lottery and we will go to heaven in the rocket.
Okay. Hurry up. Let's pack our bags and get ready.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All engines running. Launch commit. Liftoff. We have liftoff.
Oh my god, it's very crowded and such a long queue. What will I do?
ओ भाई रुको कहाँ घुसे जा रहे हो? इतना धक्का मुक्की मत करो भाई. ओ भाई वो सफेद कपड़ा. ओ सबको अपना अपना टिकट मिल जाएगा भाई.
Wait bro, where are we going? Can't you see me standing here? Am I invisible? Get behind me.
How can you be so rude?
What? Oh भाई, wait for your turn. Okay, now there is only one ticket left. Give me that ticket. I came before him. It's my turn. अरे कोई बात नहीं ब्रो, अगली बार मिल जाएगा.
What happened, Edward?
Didi, I didn't get the ticket. It got sold out before even I could reach the counter.
Don't cry, don't cry. Mom can hear us.
Edward, क्या हुआ बेटा? Why are you crying?
Mama, you told me that heaven is a beautiful place with pearl gates and golden streets filled with glory and grace. So, I wanted to visit heaven to see Jesus. But I tried many ways. Everyone gave me different suggestions to visit heaven. And now, I'm very lost and very confused. I don't know what the right way to get to heaven is.
What? Wait. Way to heaven? वो भी by rocket? Why are you so confused? You don't have to worry about this. Look, beta. We have only one way to go to heaven. And that is Jesus. He gave us the Word of God. You should regularly read the Bible, walk in His ways, pray every day to Him, and He will show you the right way to heaven.
Thank you, Mom. Now I understand that Jesus is the only way to heaven.